Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class, lecture 20, properties of power. Here some special cases. Actually, number one, if we have a to the power m plus a to the power n, it is not equal to a to the power m plus n. They are different. If you consider we have 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 4, it is not equal to the power 3 plus 4, because to the power 3 8, to the power 4 16, it is not equal to the power 3 plus 7 4, it is equal to 7. 8 plus 16 24 is not equal to power 7 is equal to 128. They are different. Also same in subtraction, also a to the power m minus a to the power n is not equal to a to the power m minus n. They are different. Here if we have a to the power m equal to b to the power n, then we can write a to the power, we can add here in both sides, in exponent we can add a number and a number ap in both sides, m plus p, n plus p. Or we can subtract a number p from exponent, m minus 1, n minus 1, m minus p. Also we can multiply m multiplied by p is equal to b multiplied by m, b to the power n multiplied by p. Or we can divide it by p is not equal to 0. P is not equal to 0. Why? Because sometimes in for solving some question we have to multiply or add by exponent and in another numbers. Here it is the negative law, a to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n. 1 by a to the power minus n is equal to a to the power n. A to the power minus n whole to the power minus m is equal to a to the power. If we multiply these two, it will become n minus m. They will become positive. Example, if we have 3 to power minus 1 is equal to 1 to power 3, 1 by 1 over 3 to power 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Here if we have 1 by 2 to power minus 3, it is equal to 2 to the power 3, it is equal to 8. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. If we have 3 to power minus 2 whole to the power minus 5, it is equal to 3 to power minus 2 and multiplied by minus 5, it is equal to 10. 3 to power 10, 3 to power 10, we have to multiply 10 times. Here is another important result, minus a whole to the power 2x is equal to a to the power 2x. If the base is a negative number and the exponent is even number, then the result will become positive, plus positive. If the base is negative number and the exponent be an odd number, then the result will be negative, minus. We should consider, remember these two things, these two important rule. Minus 3 to power 2, it is equal to, here 2 is even integer, therefore minus 3 multiplied 2 times, it will become positive. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, it is equal to minus plus multiplied by minus plus 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Minus 3 to the power 5. The exponent is odd number, therefore the result will become negative. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 5 times, minus 3 minus 3, it is equal to minus multiplied by minus multiplied by minus multiplied by minus multiplied by minus minus. 3 multiplied by 3, 9, 9 multiplied by 3, 37, 27 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 9, it is equal to 9 minus 9 multiplied by 7, 63. We have 6, 9 multiplied by 2, 18, 18 plus 60, 18 plus 6, 24. It is equal to minus 243. Yeah, it means that the exponent is even, the result become positive. Exponent is odd, the result become negative. If we have positive base, then if it is even or odd number, the result will become positive. Plus 2 multiplied by plus 2 multiplied by plus 2 multiplied by plus 2, it is equal to plus 4 times 16. Plus 2 whole to the power 3, it is equal to plus 2 multiplied by plus 2 multiplied by plus 2, 3 times it is equal to plus 8. Another result, number 5. Number 5, we want to solve a question. If we have 3 over 2 whole to the power minus 5, it is equal to 2 to power 5 to power 3, 2 over 3 whole to the power positive plus 5. We make opposite this number, this fraction, then we get the exponent become positive. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 5 times, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 5 times. It is equal to 32 multiplied by 243. It is the result. Also here the exponent 1, every number 1 to the power n is equal to 1. 1 to the power every number is equal to itself. 1 to the power minus n is equal to 1. Every number to the power 0 is equal to 1. Every number to the power 1 is equal to itself. They are also very important. You should consider this rule and regulation. Next, in lecture 21, we will solve some question. Lecture 21 and lecture 22. In these two lectures, we will solve some general question of power. Thank you.